Good morning. Welcome to Jens vlog. Good morning, guys. What time is it? It's past 9 o'clock. We just got up in bed and I am making some breakfast. And rice in here. Some rice. I am going to make some tea for me with my breakfast. Apple cider vinegar. Oh my God, my itsura. I just woke up. Magto-toast muna tayo ng ng bread ng aking para sa aking palalab. Kasi gusto niya ng toast bread with his coffee. Oops. Welcome back to Jens vlog. Actually guys, that's my new name, Jens vlog. So wala na yung Jens family, Jens Gerard family or Jens family vlog. So it is now a Jens vlog. Binago ko siya last night kasi I think I'm already thinking about continuing my vlogging kasi it's about time. I mean, why not, diba? Busy pa rin sa buhay. Ang daming mga ginagawa. Lalo na itong aking mga very important matters. Legal cases and paperwork, things like that. But I come to realization, or I realize na even if I am too busy, I still need to have time to continue my vlogging. Kahit pa kunti-kunting clips lang, at least meron, diba? So, binago ko siya with my new updates, and I'm hoping that, well, not really hoping, but it's my desires na ipagpatuloy ko yung aking pagbablog. So, I will gonna make it kasi bakit hindi, diba? Nakaka-inspired kasi yung iba na kahit busy sila sa buhay, napagtuunan pa rin nila yung kanilang pagbablog kahit kunting time lang. So, para sa akin, kung nagawa nila yun, magagawa ko rin, diba? But, of course, wala naman silang 5 anak. Ako, mayroon akong 4 na anak ngayon with me. And I'm still responsible of my kids, even though they are teenagers. I am still responsible of my kids because that's mama's job. That is mama's job. This is my palalab's toast bread. I'm just gonna get him ready whenever he comes in. Kasi namimiss niya ata mag-weed eater. Puro na lang kasi siya trabaho. Kaya uupo ako dito. Ginawan ko na siya ng ng coffee earlier bago siya lumabas. Ayun. Ay, kutsara pala. Kutsara. There you go. So, kain tayo breakfast kasi I need to take my medicine right after I eat my breakfast. Kasi sometimes nakakalimutan ko. Minsan nalilate na yung pag-inom ko, but I really have to be on time dahil iniinom ko yun twice a day. So, kain tayo. Egg with rice with my vinegar, apple cider vinegar tea. So, nawala ako guys for my vlog sa pagbablog ko. Nawala ako isang taon ata. Sobra isang taon. Nawala ako kasi grabe ang pinagdaanan ko. At sobrang busy din. But nakabangon na. Although nandyan pa rin yung mga legal matters ko. Nakabangon na rin kahit konti. Nakayanan ba? Ganun. Sa tulong ng aking aking partner ngayon, bilangon niya ako. What time is it? Oh, okay. It's not 9 o'clock yet. It's only 8:57 and Michael's still in bed. Or driving school in June 2, I think in 6, first week of June. That's his umpisa ng kanyang pag-aaral mag-drive. And then my youngest one, Sophia, she's 13. My God, mag-graduate na siya. Graduate siya for middle school kasi next year mag-high school na siya. So after my youngest one, wala na akong middle schooler. Puro na sila high school. Sandali lang guys. Pasok tayo sa kwarto. Dalhin ko na lang yung tsaa para makainom ako ng gamot. Medyo madilim. Medyo madilim. Sandali. Ilawan ko lang itong aking room. There you go. Nagtatrabaho pa rin ang aking kasama. Pastilan na. Ayay. Meron akong guys, tripod, pero wala na. Meron akong tripod, pero hahanapin ko. Kasi ginamit ng mga anak ko, hindi binalik sa akin. Kaya hanapin ko siya. Pasensya na at kapag medyo magulo yung background ko kasi maglilinis pa ako ng bahay kasi I've been busy actually. I've really been busy for this past few weeks. Kaya hindi ako masyado nakapaglinis ng bahay. Magtututbrush lang ako. And then, muna ng gamot. Mag-refill lang ako. Kasi, kaya ako meron ito guys. Dahil, tamad na akong papunta-punta ng kusina to get water. So, meron akong umbrella. Dito ako mainom. So, breakfast done. I still have my tea and taking medication is done. So now na ako, ligpit ng aming higaan at saka malilinis ng bahay dahil talaga namang napag-iwanan dahil sa sobrang busy ko, lalo na pag-aaral ng mga bata, busy ko din sa daming mga ginagawa, daming mga legal papers na nilalakad. So, hindi ko talaga nasikaso. And of course, I have to be careful dahil umiinom ako ng gamot na hindi ako pwedeng masugatan at hindi ako pwedeng madapa or magka-bruise or yung aakyat ng mga hagdang matatangkad. Kaya isa ring reason yan bakit ako tumigil ng trabaho dahil I need to be very double careful or I will feel sorry for myself. So yan ang mga side effects na sa gamot na iniinom ko dahil talagang muntikan na. But thank God dahil alam pa rin ng Diyos na may purpose ako sa mundong ito dahil sa mga anak ko at mga pa rin, mabuhay pa rin. So, salamat pa rin dahil meron akong partner na talagang todo suporta sa akin, lalo na sa mga anak ko din. He's very, very hands-on, lalo na sa mga bata. So, yan ang isa sa pinagpasalamat kong malaki talaga. So, dito lang muna guys. Again, I updated my YouTube channel, which is ngayon is Yen's Vlog na. So, like and follow and share. And also, I hope you guys will still continue watching my vlog, because I think I am, at least in 1 week, I am just gonna make, if it's not every day, maybe 3 times a week. 2 to 3 times a week. Kahit man lang kung ano-ano, diba? So, I hope you guys like this video. It's just a little update of my life. And thank you guys for watching. See you next time.